Oh wow, we've got power. Right, today, Project Raven gets the nervous system, stops becoming a shell and starts becoming a full-on camper. So we're going to be tackling sockets, lights, fuses, and hopefully by the end of the day, it's going to be up and running. In the back anyway. So let's get started. So after a bit of work today, we've got the lights wired up, ready for the big switch on. We've been running more cables and terminating the ends. All the cables down here. Building some more cables. Moving stuff around in there. Dodging rain showers. As you can see, the sun's shining now. But let's see if we can get this cracked off. Right, so it's ready for the big switch on. I've just connected the power up on the starter battery. And we've got some lights down there. So let's see if it goes bang. We've got power. Great. Let's see if these dimmable lights work. Oh, they change colour. They don't turn off though. Oh, yes they do. It might work better if I actually put them up now that they're working. I don't want to be trapping wires. Right, so they work. Let's see if this USB socket works. Should do. Then I've got to find out. Yep, we're charging. All good. Let's see if diesel heater works. It's currently 11 degrees. Heating. 21, 23. What's firing up? Well, it's doing something. It's not been switched on for a while, so there's a good chance it might come up with an error. Well, it turns out everything's working. Diesel heater fired up straight away, not a problem. That's currently got in here at 19 degrees. It was 11. I think the date probably needs changing. And the time, but that's in the settings. Nice and warm. We now have another light down there. Right, what I've found out with this Venergy DC to DC MPPT charger, when the alternator kicks in, it shuts off the solar. So if you look at that, so the engine's running now, so that's putting in 41.4 amps. But when the engine's not running, the solar comes back on. So I don't know if there's a setting that it'll use both. Don't know. But all in all, Oh, the only thing I've got left to do is put a plug on end of there to plug it into the inverter. Let's see if the inverter switches on. That's not switching on. What we got down here? Let's switch that back off. Yep, that's on the remote. Oh, there we go. So that is clicked on. So in theory that is now inverting. Because I haven't put a plug on end of that yet, I need to go and get it. But we'll switch that off because we don't need that on. So once I've got a plug, I'll test that, but I can't see any problem with it. All in all, successful electrical installation. All I've got to do now is tidy up. So we'll see you on the next one.